on, Doug.
Just playing with the window today.
Got it working?
It's working, getting a little smoother. Got a little kink in it yet. We may have to do a little adjustment.
We need a taller press. I'm happy to have a press. I don't fit down there. Press and bearings for the gasser.
Is that for the rear?
Started on it a while back when we got sidetracked off onto putting glass in it and everything else. So back to working on the rear end. 2 glass channels and some window rollers. We're waiting on to be able to finish the rest of the glass in it. I'll be here sometime this week. That and the rear end. Pat it on the bottom and send it home.
Trying to have all the bottom of the panels done. That way once we put them on there, I don't have to body work them again. Trying to get all this done. That way once we bolt them on, we won't have to do anything to them. They'll just be focusing on the outside pretty much and getting that knocked out. That's like the biggest part. Or maybe that hood is the biggest part, just like a small boat.
I gotta say, if you ever need another job, you could probably get one at night as like a DJ.
DJ?
Yep.
Yeah.
Scratching records.
And it was not as good as they were in the music video, you know?
Like, is that like how you grow up as a good body man? Just
playing DJ Hero.
playing DJ.
Although I do wear gloves like 90% of the time. Mine are just so tore up and I haven't got any new ones. That's how hard I work.
Oh, well, what did you do on that side? Is that just from your the hand movement?
I think that's like from getting caught on something and just tore it.
Oh, okay.
It started out small and then it got bigger.
I was like, Jesus.
And I get a small because I like for them to fit tight, and then that's why my fingertips like bust through the ends because they're too small.
Do what?
There's Bruce back here. I walk in and both of you guys are smiling. Were y'all talking shit?
No, he was doing magnetic toss.
It's high. I get it. You're in Texas. So, go sit behind a desk, right? Or they can come in at 5 o'clock like I do to beat the heat. Oh, no, no. Not getting up early. I'd rather complain about the heat than beat the heat. Bruce can't even get here at 8 o'clock and be awake.
Yeah, I came in at 7 on
I saw that.
last Friday. Friday or Sunday? Sunday.
I had that car painted and baked before you guys even strolled in here and ate the Powerball.
That's one day. So.
See? It doesn't matter what I do.
One day out of the month.
I'll prep this door and then we'll get the whole car painted and they'll be like, well, all he did was the inside the door. I could do this whole car and they'd be like, well, Chrysler built it and all he did was paint it.
So you got here at 5 and painted the
Challenger.
Gotcha.
Engine compartment, bottom side, and inside the car. Turned out good. Pretty happy with it.
Yeah, I'll probably insert a shot of it, so that's why I was asking.
Like right there.
Somewhere in there.
Right in that area. Somewhere in this area there'll be a shot of the car.
Like here, but could be right there.
So that's it. So I gotta bust my ass. I'm not taking off tomorrow. I guess these part-timers are.
All these part-timers.
All these part-timers are taking off tomorrow. I'm gonna work because I gotta take off for Iola and I'll be gone for another week. So then we'll do that. We're gonna shoot a video at SADA, and then after that, we'll be home Sunday. That show's over like half day Saturday. So weird. The show's Thursday, Friday, and half Saturday.
Gives us time to pack up and...
We'll be packed up and out of there. We'll probably drive 16. It says 16 hours.
We're gonna try and take out some of it that
Yeah.
half of the day.
It's 16, no stops. So it's really like an 18-hour drive probably. So we'll do it in 18. We'll probably drive, I'd like to drive 8 or 9 that night. That way we have an easy Sunday. Wake up early, get home. Be good.
You gonna see my fender flares?
I've been too busy working.
Well, I'm gonna let you get back to it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good old buddy there, Zach, is preparing the core support for the Chevelle. So, Casey can paint it. Gotta have the core support, start putting it together. Sometimes you gotta stay at Zach, you know, keep him, you know,
On track.
well, not so much on track, but you know, tell him he's doing a good job. He's got this.
You're doing a good job, Zach.
Shut up, Eric.
You got this.
Shut up, Eric. Nobody asked for your opinion, Eric.
Still ain't got his voice back yet, so he can't yell at Doug like he should. And he can't breathe.
That's why Doug's standing around. I can't yell at him.
He can't do nothing but sneeze. Got the inner fender, new inner fender in. Just to put the hood on and wait for disc brakes. Got a big hole under the battery box. Not that big. That piece I cut out. But close to that big.
Doug's over there doing the hokey pokey.
Yeah. This is your memory. I forget what's next.
Hey. He don't speak any English anyways. They said tomorrow they're asking, they all voted, everybody voted to be off, but to come to my house for fireworks. Or they didn't vote to have fireworks. They voted to come to my house tomorrow for a cookout and swimming. They didn't say when, so I'm saying okay. See everybody about 7:30, 7:40.
Be here at 7.
Be here?
Be here at 8 in the morning. And then we'll go to the house at 7.
Yeah. Meet here at 8 and 7. We'll all head to my house and jump in.
Trap.
Huh?
Trap.
It's a trap. Everybody be here at 8.